Welcome back to PFS Films, and we are here with a brand new movie called
A Mother's Biggest Regret.
Yes, so parents, it's a movie of fun. I like if you guys could come forward, get a chair and bring on a pick them come forward and focus on what we are trying to say. And this movie is based off a real life story. Something happened to somebody already in a real life.
Yeah, real life situation.
Yes. So guys, please like, share, and
Comment, subscribe. So when nothing should happen more, if you don't feel like you can drop some movie suggestions.
Yes, and also, please me I beg you let them out there. Even if the child is not your own, as in no biological, and you push them out, please treat them the same. Do not treat any kids anyway. The kids them are the future.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, peace.
Bye-bye.
Me can't take it no more. Me no want no water. Thanks anyway, but me no want no water, me baby. Me no want no water. Right now, me grieve so till it come like a stress one can take me over. Me no in a nothing with stress. Me I try my best to stay far from stress and bad mind people, and then still a torment me. Me say up at my workplace every time. Supervisor call me. Manager call me, boss call me, all the workers them a call me. The news them a care for me every time. Pure news them a care for me and make me get fired. Take of this woman when name Shami.
Good as. Good as.
You man let me get fired. Let me go man, cause you a cause all of them sitting here, you know. You cause all of them, you know, cause you say if it stand up. You say if it stand up and sure, look at you see your pitney over there, so you see any you this stand up as a father and help me minor, me would not go through them right now just to make sure survive. You see you any you this right now me alone in underneath them a pressure ya. See them just fire me there from work. Say one woman named Charmaine, me can't take this out. Me can't take him, man. Every minute the woman come in my office to because me and do my work better than she find something to go up, drop me name in a complaint box. But me this and but me that and all kind of thing. And me youth to pay for light bill, to pay for water rate, buy food, she figure at school. Remember she not done school yet. Me can't take them a problem. And you dey on road a bar all about a drink and smoke. And every time me ask her for money for her, you still not have none. Me can't take it no more.
Babes, you're mad.
Me, right now?
Yeah, man.
Me head chip. He gone for a long time. You know late. Me could have in my right sense, you know, I ain't no righted mind, you know. They no most mad me mad out, you know. Sick of them and sitting here with me under.
Yes. Oh, you forget fire.
What you mean how me forget fire? People them bad mind me.
How you gonna take care of it?
We.
How we gonna eat?
You wipe out a few. Look here.
You again. Nobody with you?
You wipe out a me dictionary from long. No. Look here.
If I never me, you know, on this earth right now. If
You
I
should
never
have
my
left
back.
me in your back.
Me tell you that.
You should have left me in
Oh, so you have more respect to me.
Wait, hold on.
You have more respect to me.
Hey, Jesus.
Fathers take the picnic out them back.
One more story come down, Father God.
If I never mother, how you pick me down?
But you can't tell her about say you if I never you she wouldn't the year so. After when me get pregnant for you tell me how me fit dash you and care how much money come give me. 150,000 come give me. Say me fit dash you kind know doctor where dash you got and me say no. You know what I do? Stop talk to me through that. Me alone have to suffer with you from belly until now. See there me alone and God. You they come one up picking okay, yes she bright. Yes she bright and she have subject now. And me alone go through all of them they stress there. You're a wicked daddy. You
make sure you come mad like your mother.
Me want you to be mad like me. Make sure you're not sensible like your pie, you know. Make sure you're not sensible like your pie.
Hey, you know what I know? I could never.
Make sure you're not sensible like your pa. Make sure you don't idiot like your mama because if you don't idiot like me, you have sense. Yeah. This a mania. Never used to have money. From the day me tell this man say me get pregnant with you and find 150,000 come give me and say me fi get rid of the belly. You see from me tell him say me nah dash you and go take the money and buy some goods and they sell some something. I'm a little side hustle in that. Eh? This man not deal with me none till again every.
I'm like a breath. How you do?
Oh.
I'm tell you say.
Nah.
Relax. And breathe easy. Chat to the mouth some mad man. I could never cook and start bun back again, you know. I be type of friend that, you know. Tap it chatting and tap tell me that to certain things. Fathers picking them out them back, put it in the mother take care of it from there. You don't know that. Breathe easy, man.
Give me a little of the water if you drink me daughter.
Oh, I'm hey, you see people follow your mother in this episode and go on some broke off your neck. Here. One tap. Babes. Babes. Babes.
You're brighty. I can't fight me in front of me daughter and I can't chat about me when they pan jugs. Dirty boy. Me look like me in the pan jugs still. You, come on to me place. Come on to me place. You're brighty. You know say enough to ramp with me already. Boy, you can't hold me throat. Dirty boy. You know say enough to ramp with me already.
Use the broomstick to keep out.
Come on to me place. You think you help me parent before you come in here and come. Lord Jesus Christ. Before you come in here and contact insensible and you hear say me lose my job.
You come on, babes.
Come on, friend on me bed.
Can I stay like babes?
Come on, friend on me bed. And me want to walk on by this.
You're mad
You
man.
out of that. No, me left for a long time for me to get pregnant and you say me fi dash on my belly. And me carry me pitney me and God. You just come on me yard and just badge in behind me. That mean you just chill me from out the road.
Can't tell me that to them. That's why I'm foolish now, babes.
What you feel like? I see if me have one man in here just badge in for me you know there. We left long time from me pregnant with me pitney. You're too wicked and disgusting. You carry a coat a long time. I'm pitney in my belly, you know, give me nothing. You know, long more all you see like dirty girl the way you're there with. Come on. Come out of my place. Come out of my place. Yo,
slippers, man.
Take your angle along. Come out. You want to walk this pooper. You see what me have to go through? Yes. Help me tidy up back in place, my baby. Yes.
Mama, breathe easy, Mama. Mama, breathe easy.
Oh, God. I the wrong man me take up.
Definitely.
I the wrong man me take up. Sperms donor. Sperms donor them. Yeah. And the one who ain't love me for real.
Yeah, you
before me breed with you. For that drunker there. Me turn him down. That the man they would have give me anything. But me make this a dirty dog you trick me. Father God, you see like how me I did idiot the time there. Me I beg you teach me some sense now. Do. Boy.
Mommy, good evening.
Evening, baby.
Alright?
No.
What's happened?
You believe me just lose my job?
Oh man, sorry mom. We never know. What happened if you lose a job?
Why? Just losing my job, but this boss man just come and say to me, say, that's it. Like, say me do something wrong.
So why you get fired, ma'am? What happened? Tell me.
I don't know. But the big thing is, forget that, what we are gonna do?
But that's true. So I'm going to school now.
We'll find a way, you know. Jah will always help you. Jah will always help you. Where there's a will, there's a way. Right, you know, me don't know what that way is, but me know, sir, there is a way. You have to go to school, you know, baby. You're my main objective, my main number one. So
Okay,
by
mommy.
hook or by crook, don't worry yourself. Nobody put it on your head. My head just fry right, you know, car.
Sorry to hear that.
My head just fry right, you know.
God will provide for us.
Yeah, man, God always provide.
But mommy, look into it for you know, time very, very hard. So what we are going to do time very hard, you know?
Hard for true, but why? I have to find something to do. Because
So how do?
no. Right now my head fry, baby girl, my head fry. Cause I have 1,000,001 things on my shoulder. I don't know where me I got turn. Rent for pay. Back up Miss Maggie and ma slide out the street and then remind me, say rent due tomorrow. Right in Chippy. I don't even know where that's gonna come from. Cause them all fire me without pay. I don't even know when I gonna get my pay, so I don't know.
Sure. No, mommy. No. We're going to have to go figure out something.
We'll find something. We'll find a way. Cause where there's a will, there's definitely a way. And Jah always provide. Don't worry.
By that.
There will be a way. There's always a way, you know. Sometimes in this life too. Why me have to prepare you for life. Sometimes in this life, baby girl, we have to do things for a period of time that we don't want to do. But every mickle make a muckle and we have to try. You know, have to run in this world.
Why we know have to run?
You know, have to run, cause, you know, when you have cold, you have to get out everything. So you have to get out everything, get out and change round, cause change is as good as a rest. Yeah. So, right now, the work me did and that done. So, we have to go find a different way.
So what we
have to go work
tonight?
together. Why? I feel me have some mackerel in the cupboard. And we have the brown bread and we have the back of the bread. We can manage that with water for now.
Okay, mommy.
No worry. Where there is a will, there is a way. But just know, and prepare, say, you know, I go run.
Yes, mommy.
Cause we have to do today what others won't do to have tomorrow what others won't have. So, that's just so it go.
Okay, maybe it's not your mommy. Maybe it's make everything work out.
Well, you're right, you know. We just have to hold on to your belief, cause you don't know what to believe, but we just have to hold on. But no worry your head, we'll find a way. Here, mega start dinner right, you know.
What's Shanice?
Girl.
Me there, you good?
Yeah, girl.
Me say, girl. From I left school this evening and me not see you, you know. So I left mommy over here cook. So I say, me come back from myself because I see you.
Oh.
I have good news and bad news. So you want to hear first?
Well, tell me the good one.
Me have 5 subjects. Me get 5 subjects them.
We are getting at them.
Me get 5 ones.
5 ones.
Yeah.
What is 5 times 20 times 9? Never mind, mama. You better you tell me say you get paid 3 and 2. But
no,
not tell
mama.
me say you get paid 1.
Me never get maths.
Oh, we get?
Me get IT. The easy thing them.
That is the database.
Eh? You say me not like you, girl.
No, me just ask you something.
Me not know. Me never get it for the paper.
Your subject them where you claim to say you have.
Me have subject though. Me get 5.
5?
Yes.
Man, a 5 you get in the one subject where you do.
No, me see clearly. I want the penny.
So what the bad news?
Boy, you won't believe what happened.
I wanna sound well bad.
My mother lose her job.
Lord God. So you gonna manage?
Me no know. That's why I say me I can't save. Me could have see you. Because I say you left school now, you know. Someone know how you bring yourself through school. Because I say 11th grade me I going now. So how you carry yourself through school?
Well, never just trust and believe in God. Get up a morning time and pray. And before you get in bed, you pray. Do not pray for what you want. Just pray. Cause if you want one phone now, you have to go to God to pray. Say you want one phone. Don't do that. You're not going to get the phone. Just pray normally. Do not pray for what you want.
I said, if you just pray.
Yes, just pray.
So when I pray, how long you pray go take to come true?
That is the thing. Is if you're sitting and wait, God not going to send it come. Just pray.
Oh.
Just believe and pray and wait.
So that's what you do if you go through school?
Yeah. What else me to do?
I don't know if you that sell. I don't know if you that
No,
do.
mama. Me just believe and pray. I wake up a morning time and I pray. I wake up a evening time and I pray. Before I go in bed, I pray. When I go to school, I pray. Every transportation I go in and I pray.
So I question now. You say I must not pray for what I want. So how far I gonna know what I want?
Don't worry, just pray.
Pray say what?
God just thank him saying give life.
Oh. Well, that time I did come to tell us still. So
Yes.
you don't know what going on in your life.
Everything now go on, girl. I just there just sit on rain fall and hot knee place. So I know I go in more, I can't go in.
Oh, anyways, me I come walk good on the road.
Alright, take care.
Alright, later.
Yes, I remember to pray.
Yes, but go and pray.
But do not pray for what you want.
Okay.
Okay, later.
Later, girl.
Hope your mother get a job soon. Go up now. It's just hot and boring.
That's a girl.
Gotcha. Can I
Hello, nothing.
You look
I
happy
have-
today, do I? What happened
Because I
today?
am very happy, girl.
What happened?
Guess what?
Yeah.
Guess no, girl. You can't just say one no so quick. Guess.
You win the lotto?
If, girl, if me did there, so you say, oh, that feel nice.
Me know if you win you the day I saw that you want to tell me.
No, me don't care what thing out tight. But girl, me get 3 subjects already. Me get them in a 2s and 1s.
Oh my God, that's nice.
Yeah, but you know what? Too? Guess what?
What?
Thank you for helping me. Without you, I wouldn't even know what I would have.
You're welcome. You're so welcome. But
I'm glad. Hey, I'm glad to say you're intelligent. You see?
yeah. So you plan to do more in a grade level.
Girl, of course, me I do 5
Hope you
more.
bad them up, you know.
Girl, I go hungry, cause you go help me.
Yes,
So.
angle triangle.
No, we angle, we bongo.
Yes, so what happened?
No, me just come and say me want to find you because me have to tell you. Me have to just. You know them way there?
Yes.
Yeah, me have to big you up and give you props.
Yes, so
Yeah.
what go on in your life differently?
No, not going in my life. No, nothing new, girl. It's
Somebody
same
will say
thing.
no boyfriend or nothing. What you look for?
Me I look for who you ask the question. Like I could never
Me
decide.
ask you. Girl.
Me? Man, no girl. That those sound well put together.
Why?
After I were home, me see my papa doing my mama. And me forgot to take up man. You're crazy.
Listen to me. 7 brother, 7 different mind. Man a man and boy a boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Still
Your
not change the
papa,
thing.
mine still young, that's why.
Oh, that the big grey Batman there?
It may be grey, but you can't see no it appear little circles in there.
Man, they have a brain.
It not mature good.
Man, they have a memory. I want goldfish 3 seconds. Me, so I got stills, but yeah, that them me did say, me I go and take a walk and then me see me big you up and so. So yeah, me I go about my business card. Me thirsty and me need a bag juice.
Okay, but as me say, 7 brother, 7 different mind.
I got you. I will keep that in.
Alright, later cover yard me dog go.
Aye.
Oh boy.
Even master.
What going on? Where am I?
No, mommy they over yard. Right now it's stressed out.
Actually, me got chicken. What happened to her?
In come in and say losing job and get up and me pop over there. Me say I should
That Peter shit they come back here.
him said when me say mommy hungry, me should have seen man that bed bottom a try hide.
So him go like a bad man so under bed bottom.
You know say woman bad, you know say woman roll. You know a song say who run the world? Girls. You don't know that.
Shut him out.
Me not shit it.
We just say a while ago tell him out. Who run the world, girls?
Girls.
No. God run the earth. Or the world, anyone I want to be.
No, God run the universe. Girls run the world.
Why woman run the world?
Without woman no know the there.
How it's so bright?
No, come my mother take care of me, my mother feed me good food and then give me protein and something to build up my mind. So anytime I go to school and I study, I remember it. And
Kids like when we make it far.
I know we make it far, I go make it far. You chat like you want to hold me back and push me forward at the same time.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
No, like you say, kids let me, we make it far. Don't say we make it far, say me, I go make it far.
Alright, you are gonna make it far. With your face them out, you are gonna make it far because me can't outbeat you, you know. You're too intelligent for me.
You could never outbeat me. What a life you live in, sir.
Any man get you when you're older.
Sorry for them.
Then go on the headache.
Me say. You know what I want to learn to one different language. So anytime I cuss out the naughtiness, I want to cuss in another language there. Naughtiness.
What is it?
Alright, never mind. Well, so I cuss them out, man them. Yeah, I want to cuss in a different language when I know. And so they don't know what I say. So I can cuss and tell them anything and they still don't know. Or you know, like anytime you did it and you cuss, all you cuss one bad that time or tell him so, you say, "Nisho, but I cuss him out and you just act like."
Hello, mama. Sorry if you call your mama. Look at child. Hello, a Jamaican, you there?
No, wrong with that. What them are.
That's when you talk to me. You talk to me straight. Either they give me the English or the patois. Nobody who show.
No, me never said. I just say use as example for show you something. Yeah.
Anyway, though, what is it happening out here, mother now?
She lose her work. Me hear me say cause I want woman who named Charmaine.
Oh,
One Rasta lady.
Yeah, me know Charmaine.
Yeah, me say me way how my mother talk about her and come in and describe the woman. Me feel like me know how a woman look. And me barely I never yet see a woman.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
Oh God, have mercy, I say go. So, yeah.
Yeah, me I listen.
I go and go down, so go check your mother.
Yeah.
Watch how you walk up on them road.
Yeah, cause look a boy them. My mindset no did this, so I want to reach somewhere in my life. You see how my mother struggle. I want to come back and I want to take care of my mother. I want to make my mother live a nice, comfortable life.
So what you plan to be?
Nothing. One plan to be, if me not be one flight attendant, me go build up one little clothes store cause everybody wear clothes. And me not do that, me build one grocery store cause everybody eat food. If me not do that, me go turn ground engineer because when they do that, everybody have to eat food. And you know the way they. Yeah, but
I'm proud of you, cause no. I'm glad me know your mother. I'm glad me know you. Cause if you become a pilot.
Yeah, me buy you two ensure.
No, me think you say that give me 2 tickets to travel.
I'm gonna get 2 tickets. I can't get a blind, but you have to go give me something funny. You can't just get free plane ride.
I'm glad you go run store and you can eat food and get clothes.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who you to?
Shanice,
How would that?
come on, man.
What happened?
Me notice you from the other day, me notice you, You owe me and you hide me. You don't
Me not hide if me that hide mood to come out now.
So what? What go on for my money?
Me not get no pay.
So you want to tell me, say, Friday you start work, you don't get no pay?
No, me get pay now. But me not have no rent money. The money when me have to buy stop leak for this thing cause rain a wet me up and as you can see I rainy time. And maybe buy one fan for the heat.
So, you feel to me responsible for
And me did have to buy one zapper for the mosquito them.
So you feel to me responsible mosquito? Me never rent mosquito house, me rent you.
Oh well, me did have to make myself comfortable first.
Before me get my money.
Yeah.
Before me, you have to comfortable.
Before you get the money.
Before me get my money.
Yeah. How you do? Want to throw me out? You can't throw me out so fast. You go get your money by tomorrow. No, tomorrow too quick. By tomorrow. No, tomorrow, no, the other tomorrow. Right now, clean me around and back and clean up around you, around the dirty. See there? Okay. See there? Is that work me get called for?
Shanice.
No, I want old lady down the road me I go look pan right now and her daughter go give me one money for feed
Remember
her.
saying no? You owe me last month money, right? And this month soon done.
It can't too cut last month tonight.
Why me
Last month gone.
Wait, you understand what you say about? You understand what you say? Eh?
Remember me young.
Remember say me old.
13.
Remember say me have picnic for mine. Me have to maintain picnic. Me have to maintain my structure. Me have to buy vitamin. Una young girl, you can run up and down. You can go over bridge. You can go there. So.
Alright, here what? Me go come for you tonight, come carry you go over bridge.
I'm here face it. We don't own a house.
Like I can't put me out.
Me can put you out. But the dirty lad, them go tell me, say, you have to serve
Okay,
a tree,
so
come
right
on.
now you have to take what you get. You can't put me out and me say tomorrow me pay you or you come a bridge later.
Make sure me get my money.
Me not have it what you go do. Kill me? If me not have it what you want me do? Thief?
Me never say you for thief, but find the money. When they did come in, you take big boss. Oh,
Because me never know me did have to buy stoplight, mosquito net, plus zapper, plus van. Me think all of them would have the inside. All the bed when me get in there, the spring them a joke me.
some people rent a house and never get a free bed yet. You get a free bed.
But me not get no sheet.
Your kill is that bad?
It's like you don't understand.
Your kill is that bad?
It's bad me did be.
Use that towel and cover up. As simple as that.
Put on a bikini, cause later me a come for you.
I must put you out in. I must find a way to put you out. You wait.
Good dirty man, boring. He must gone far. Oh yes, singer. Oh, come here. Me glad me come out come see you now. Cause I saw you that just skip me yard and pass me and tell me see you no pass up as I seen today.
Babes.
Now come babes me. A man come here for red money. And say him I go put me out. And from last month me owe the man, you know. What I want for the rent?
Babes, which boy can put you out?
If I did have some, if you put me out, so bad and too bad.
Any put out a go on, and me have to put you out. That boy can come up so time there.
Where money they for pay, man?
Come see, man, babes. I'm here, man. Them phone me up on the coil. So money run. They pay me card. I 3 days time for me pick up that because little piece of food we have over there. I go and feed her for that.
That you and your business. What about me?
I'm here. From me good and a good.
No, me not good. Cause me the good.
Tell
The man
the
who come here so come tell me say the man go put me out if I didn't feel laugh.
Yo, tell a landlord there. They can talk to me when he come to you and say, I be a 2025 shirt me wear. You first box. He said, be hot something make you wear.
Where accent the way I make me
Well,
wear?
me shirt them
I suffocate in them clothes there.
Okay, I was a wear my shirt them. Like,
Maybe if I did like... buy me something for myself, more have to wear yearns.
Babes, you know say one thing I like with the babes?
Me that business I like. Right now the money me want. I mean me want to go down a Paul party later, so I want suit.
Babes, you can't talk like one sweet girl.
If I did that give me money, more that be sweet. But you know, give
You
me
make for me very sweet and for you.
Can I please have the rent money to pay the landlord?
You sound disgusting, you know.
Can I please have the money to pay the landlord?
Babe, I can't care you, man. I can't care from the front page them. Because you got to talk like a whole...
Can I please have the money to pay the landlord?
Don't damage you.
Yeah, irritate me now. Yeah, me feel like I waste my time with you.
Don't put your hand on me when I talk.
When me put my hand on you, do something about it. Pay me now so I can pay the landlord. A 3 days back straight to come and me shop and not give me no money, you know.
You know, say you want to eat that.
Come.
You know, say you want to eat that. You know, listen to me.
Pay money.
Don't put your hand on me when I talk to you. Worse on the road.
You irritate me. Alright, come on, go over now so I can beat
Tell
you.
us, I go talk to you landlord. You work?
Me know why you talk to the landlord. More you give me the money so I can go give him.
You work?
What me have it for?
Shut up your mouth and stop talking, man. What's up?
Put me so.
What's up, man?
Put me so, man. And so me I go. Must know how you go in.
Babes. Babes. Take a country girl, man. I want to find them a mad man from Father God. Almighty. I could never say me. Come mother pray for me all the while. Any destruction me I pick up in my life, man. See them over here till him come here, man. See if he can go. I make him take too long. See like such a man now I hurt him, you know. I'm going. Single.
Me I put on my clothes. Hold on there, who that?
Ah, Master Joe.
It's a Brazilian. Me can't bother no man.
You sure say you put on clothes?
Yeah. Alright, come.
Wagwan, wagwan. Your daughter tell me wagwan. Say you lose the job. So, me come check up if you want nothing like when you lose the job. You want any little thing, food stuff, and you could deodorant and them thing there, you know.
Joe,
Huh?
where you see me daughter?
Up the road, you see me, tell me say you meet all your so-called baby daddy.
My daughter tell you that?
Yes!
Mine a pass the pass and hear you know and come and mix up my daughter.
No, man, he tell me that. I come here, tell me I come check for you, and he tell me that, but when me hear you say you lose the job, me I say, yeah, we can step in now as a man.
Come here. Sit down right here, son. Let me talk to you. You see that man there? We breed me and give me that picnic there. My mommy used to tell you for a long time, you know. Are the worst man me ever take up in my life.
Glad so are the worst man
My
to
mommy tell us say when me dey get pregnant,
Mm-hmm.
he tell me say me fi throw it away. But me bring that little girl because me know say she did a go come out.
And she become an intelligent, some big words that she have, I don't know them.
Listen to me. I work off my back.
Mm-hmm. I'm
Just
proud
to
of
make
you.
she learn in a school.
I'm proud of you.
And all the time the way you used to come to me and they ask me if I want this and I want that and all kind of stick me, you know. You know, so me used to, you see them little money the way I used to give me used to take you and will and help her to go to school too, you know.
Yeah, man, me glad so me can help.
Me thank God me never throw her away. Cause if me did dash her that the belly there, me wouldn't have no pitney. Me don't know if me can get pregnant again. And right now she bright. You know what subject she have? At college me the plan to send her a little more from this. So anyway, me fi work, cause she don't tell you already this story, say me lose my work and everything about this dirty man when me and him fight and sit me, you know, so achoo. Right now me need some help.
So, you can't step up in your life, you know. Me
I
can
sit me and care come to give me.
not really no, but me can carry some ghost to come give you, and
No. Don't do that.
well,
Me, not like mama man. Master Joe, listen what me I say.
mama man.
If you, me never say you're mama man, but if you work here, grocery come give me. Marco, you don't know what I need and you don't know what my daughter eat. Bring the money, come give me and make me and my daughter go to supermarket go buy the stuff them.
So
Because
me normally like to buy the things them myself.
the woman where you have, you go buy stay free and everything for your woman and grocery and all kind of thing. Me and my daughter always going to the supermarket and she take up what she want. That's what me broke her.
Cause to the woman I'm used to deal with, you know. When they give the money, I'm in 30 grand to buy grocery, she use 10 grand buy grocery. And tell me say she don't know. Say I had 30 grand that time, me look on the receipt, me see 8,500 and something dollar. Them are wicked.
$10,000. I hope you not carry $10,000 come give me, you know. Cause you say she'll give she 30 grand. Although me, you know, they look me for a long time, but I don't know.
So,
I think about it.
So what you plan to do like how you know, work now? And what about the rent? What about what?
You see promise ring where you did give me? This me I'm still, you know.
Alright.
You did promise, say.
In time you make up your mind already if you're married, you're married.
How
like that.
You woke up your palm make him man name the my name pick me because you want me to married. Me I wonder if me shouldn't take your ring from you. You know say me I go down a jewel box for Sally?
For what?
Because
no man.
Some man you just come
wear the ring, man.
And breathe me and want me dash me pick me and no one come in tap in me house like me and him there. For me and him have big fight. Look there.
I tell you from day one say the man love young girl. The man love young girl. I just of him money go. Me and him did at war for me daughter one time, you know.
That's said man they will breed me and give me my daughter?
Yes!
So you not ever tell me in a long time me and your friend?
Because, let me teach you something. Me learn to keep my business to myself. Because when you tell people your business, then take you for idiot.
I mean, I tell you. Remember, say me know you long time. Me and your friend long time because say they look me you always carry things come give me and I know me they ask you for it. And you carry it come give me.
Alright. Me up pay the rent. Me up pay 3 months rent. And
You still a look me?
no. Me no
You
mind,
gonna
but
pay 3 months rent for me?
yeah, you're a good woman. Good woman like you deserve good treatment. Ah, you see how you grow your pitney? You grow your pitney the right way. The word I speaking of, I don't mean to understand. Me just pretend like me understand.
You don't understand that every little word, so you're not gonna understand the big one them. She got a good school.
Yeah, but sometimes she chat to me, tell her to chat in a patois. Me not like the English. Me can't
I
manage
like
it.
when time she drop the big word them pound, we go consult on the dictionary, so we find out what it mean, the definition of whatever she did say, me never did it. So you will figure out what it mean that way there, or you ask somebody what the word they mean, and make sure so you make a good proper pronunciation, they'll say, oh, chat foolishness, and then I'm gonna know the meaning. That's why you should have take your book at school.
Yeah.
I mean, I know what make when you did that look me for a long time there, you know, come little close and spend more money for me and show me more love. And you would have get that picnic there from me, you know.
True.
But me never tell us that me want you still.
True.
But
Yeah.
me still not tell us that me want you yet, you know. Remember, say you promise me say I go pay me rent 3 months, just to go and give me money if you go buy grocery.
So you have to remember all of that.
And you just tell me so me not go forget.
Me thinking I just put that aside. Me don't know say you still don't talk about that.
So I trick me?
No.
So why you want me to forget something?
Sometimes man will say certain things, but they don't really mean it.
Me not put you with them man there. Cause if me never there, I used to give me things and I know me ask for it. That mean you promise me this now, me I look for see come so me I go remember me.
All right.
Take you out of my head.
I go and give you it. So.
How when you go give me?
Give me 2 days time. Cause the girl let me go to, she tell me, said, what is it, tomorrow? Some brother must speak, tomorrow. That's what I say, tomorrow. So, when tomorrow come, we carry the money. So that sounds like a 2 day. Tomorrow. Yeah,
tomorrow. Where you talk?
That's what she said.
My daughter not talk so stupid.
No, your daughter was a girl.
Oh.
When we rent the house, she said tomorrow.
Okay. Oh, you say I go collect rent.
We collect it from her, we give it to her by ghost, and then the 3 month rent, me will pay that online.
Oh.
You just send the information to me pay them in their account.
Alright. Collect it. And make sure I say me get some money. Cause I want to buy some grocery.
Yeah, man. She said tomorrow. So me I work with it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Tomorrow. I mean, I know. Remember time from my school days.
My daughter not talk that the full way there.
Me say, no, your daughter one girl when me rent my room.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
She said tomorrow. But a 2 month rent, she I go home still, you know. Cause this month I soon done.
So you couldn't carry sitting come up here and give me. Like how you hear where I go on and so.
Alright. I go and bring something tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Alright.
Not tomorrow.
Me I bet you have my number still in your phone. You. Jinal. Look me same way, you know. God.
Good evening.
Evelyn, what's up?
No, I'm in there, I walk.
Nice, slim as shape, good and thing.
Thanks.
So where you heading to?
I walk and me born, so I start stretch my legs them.
From a born, I never see anything like this, you know.
Now me do me look bad?
Which part you live?
Up your road.
Can't get to know you.
Have money?
Money at least, mama.
Oh.
Really money you come about.
My throat dry. Can't buy man juice. Me I walk. Can't buy man
juice.
juice
You want?
A small juice.
You know say you want nothing in life if a small juice you want.
You say that?
Come on. Can I look for a rich man like me want small juice?
Me don't know if you're rich, me don't know in your pocket.
Buy a bigger juice.
Hey, you buy one big juice?
Big juice.
How about me, so you buy me big juice?
You're special, baby.
Special? Oh my.
Special. Service. Order anything you want, baby.
Can't get cold Pepsi.
Ah, me there, auntie. Yeah, man, me there far, man. Take out a nice limonza. You know. Alright, look come more.
Yeah, man, alright. Fine. That walk to store.
So, come on, we go up here now.
Eh?
Come on, go up here now.
No, man, I left something up here, so I go to collect you and come back. But by the way, my name Kayla.
So you can collect you, look more.
No, man, I have to collect you right now. Later, me see you next time. Here? Come on, I think me a real idiot. As in buy one little Pepsi, he expects him to come and here with him. Can you take me so fool? Him bright, man. What a father.
Mommy,
Yeah?
go on.
Me there, you know. Where they come from?
Up the
Who
road.
buy that for you?
No, I out of my saving pan.
Oh.
Yeah.
Me know when you take nothing from no man out the road.
No,
and
sir.
anything you want?
Me know better, me come to you.
Okay. Anyway,
Uh-huh.
how you say to Master Joe?
And him did ask me one go on, so me did tell him say you beat up that day and you lose your work.
Oh, so I in the talk and come down here, you know. Not so too long left from you tell me how my daughter tell him say, yeah, my baby father fight and me lose work and one if I sitting, you know film style for a long time, say I look me and I look him still I look me, no me know but you know he say this for well, but me know.
You know
promise me things and say I go pay 3-month rent for me.
Then a good son that by the time they must can go back on your feet.
And him do go collect some money from some girl we a chat one fool way about tomorrow. Me don't know what kind of story them they but me know this is how I want say I could have even next week. As long as in care money come give me I can go a grocery. Yes, me I can go do grocery.
And that them job from
Me I can go a grocery, go buy grocery. Don't a grocery. We have to get whole heap of grocery.
You know so to me. Me a plan for make you buy me one some Kisco and some chocolate or some little sweetie or something.
Me I go
make me
down
sell you
there.
a school.
And me I go a grocery.
So
away.
Then me can sell you a
Take
school.
up all what you want and anything you want to sell your school you do show me cause you know say Master Joe will give me money if you buy anything.
Yeah, I remember say we get selling a car pitney. They love it.
Do you really want Master Joe to be your stepfather?
Nothing wrong with them.
Where they try say? Me fi go there with Joe?
No, me never did that sin if you go there with Joe. You ask me and I tell you say nothing wrong with them cause you know say he would treat you better than he look all hog where you breed for.
That's true. Actually, you know, say me go think about it later when me I go sleep, me I go pray about it too.
Yeah, ask God for sure your sign.
Because, you see your father? He just make me feel like I say me not have no sense. Me choose the wrong man.
I second time
and
now
dump the right one.
Totally.
And at the end of the day, actually me never tell you did know say wholly for the money them when me spending on.
Not from Master Joe.
Master Joe, me get them from you know. Different family could job them when me used to do, you know.
My man tell me.
The man they love me for sure.
We love him.
But that's how we women stay. You see who love we?
You not see.
We no want them. We see it. You think we blind? We no want the one them we love we and we help we cause we are idiot.
Yeah.
You know see what me do? Not deal with Master Joe, just take him money to me and say I'm a friend.
Yeah.
And then this idiot and now come breed me, give me you and tell me if it dash you. You think that easy? But me glad God teach me sense now. God teach me sense. Me go think about him, me Master Joe,
yeah,
man.
think about
But me not tell him no call. I think take no step for me.
Mommy?
Yes, baby.
You alright?
Yeah. Just a straighten up.
Mommy.
Nah, nothing else to do.
Make it on them, mommy. Make it on them. Me won't believe what does happen for the road.
Where you get drink from? I'm not going no money.
Man buy me it.
One man?
Yes.
Which man?
Yes, he rich, he full of money. Can I buy me big juice? And I say, man, tell all man bright to mommy. But come on, if you don't go. Me say, no.
What you say?
Boy, like you want to carry me guy. So me say, no, mommy, not guy. Too bright.
Lord God, it look like say a real idiot me raise, you know.
Why you say that, mommy?
You said the man like you, obviously, and buy you drink.
Yeah.
And invite you to him yard.
Yeah.
So what you think? You should have go. You look a good person at the mouth. You should have go. What you do you so?
Me no want him.
You gonna get nothing you so?
Me no want no man, mommy.
You don't have to want him.
No, me have focus on my schoolwork and now.
Jackass Maria's, you know. God
No,
forgive
you
me.
call me
Let me tell you
jackass.
something. Let me tell you something about the world, baby girl. You obviously have something him like. In this world, we women have the gold mine, you know. And we hold the handle, and we hold the blade, and them hold the handle the other way around, whichever way it go. So why you never go with him? Him ugly?
No, mommy, just no.
Lord God, the man clever, the man rich, the man like you and him good looking. You know how much women get all of that in a one package and you get it and turn it down, you at least have a number?
No.
Lord God, hilarious.
What happened, mommy?
So how you gonna see him again?
I don't plan to see him again, mommy.
Lord, alright, let me teach you something, you see? Remember, said the other day, me tell you, say, sometimes we have to do today what others won't do in order to have tomorrow what others can't have. Girl, you get a gift horse, just put somebody right in front of you. You know how hard some women have to work to get that? And much less you get it all in one. Smarts, like you, money, and good looking. Girl, you better go back across the street and find him now. Where you meet him?
Don't buy the shop.
When did I do? Him on the shop?
No. In the walk and you stop and I say, oh, I'm sexy and something and all.
Lord God, and give you the cue right this side, you turn it down. The man tell you say him like you. That's why him buy you expensive drink.
You know what, man?
You don't have to want him. Listen, you have a gold mine and look upon you. You're beautiful. You're clever. You have to use it and get what you want out of them. Cause them I use them derricks and I use them mind figure what they want out of you, you know. So you have to lick first.
Mommy, me just have focus on schoolwork and all.
Yeah, remember how you think books are gonna come? How you think school fee are gonna pay? How you think Miss Maggie and Mars Light are gonna get them rent? Me said to you already, so you have to go help me, baby. You have to go help me.
Mommy.
Me I walk up and down and look and everything. Me even walk up and down and look for see if you could find something before we come home. Tell you said me lose the job, but we both have to go put into this, you know. There's plenty things me do in my young days before me get you, and I have to settle down. Plenty things you have to do for. How you think this come? You think the little pian work me do get all this and buy brick and zinc and pay, man? Some man they even get pay, not money anyway. I realize, me not say you have to go do that as far as that.
What, mommy,
No worry about that. Me not worry about that. But just me, I tell you, say sometimes you have to do things, girl.
Like what?
You have to get education other than school. This is life education me I teach you.
What is life education?
Life education is you have to do what you have to do to get what you want to get in this life.
What is that, mommy? What I have
You
to
know
do?
want yam. You know want roof over your head.
Yeah, so
you know want drink. You know want clothes.
Yeah, so what must I do? Me try help you.
Thank you, baby. Me know you understand.
You.
Oh God.
So
me feel sorry for shout after you earlier, but
so what you talk about? Me go what?
Girl,
go school,
all right.
get education.
Yes, man, do that too. But you have to do a little side hustling. That is educational life. Me I teach you life.
What kind of education life? Tell
Listen,
me.
Girl, you have woman. We have a gold mine between we foot them. You have to use your brain. Our man will take you for idiots.
No man, not idiot. Man, me no want a man. How that don't help me?
You get juice already, you know, taste already. You think the juice is where it stop? Some man, you can all get things out of them, girl. And you don't have to give away nothing. Nothing to give away upon you. Everything expensive. You hear?
I mean, why you try? Say me not understand.
Girl, you're bright, girl, and you can't catch what me I say. You're gonna make me say it out loud. Use the man like you. The man have money. 3 things you have to look for. The main things. Them have to have money. Them have to serve so you can wrap them round. Cause you have to control the money. Cause you run things don't run you.
Mommy, me not think me want use nobody.
Anthony, touch her. I'm my fault. Me never train you. Me just start training you now.
Mommy, me no want use nobody boy picnic. That's not
Them
right.
business with you. You know how much man out there, sex girl and breed them and gone, cause them no business. It's time we turn it round on them. Cause we run things don't run we, and we have to do what we have to do. Me not tell you wrong, you know, baby girl. Better you learn it now while you have it. And you know, all like me. Although me still good, but you know, said time a come.
Okay, if you say adapt, then. We will do anything
you
you
know,
say,
so me
mommy.
not hurt you. You know, so me not tell you nothing wrong, baby girl. But me will guide you along the way.
Boy. Oh, feel like me want go doctor.
We don't go on a doctor then.
Me not go no doctor, you know.
Why not?
Cause Joe no give me money yet, you know. Mas Joe, me I go out the road go look at me see, you know.
Oh.
Go no doctor. The money they have to buy groceries and things.
Which part you go?
Me I go look for Mas Joe out the road. They kind of promise me something. I want
No, one shirt me I'll put on.
So later here.
Yeah.
What if, man? Wow. Nice, beautiful angel. How are you?
I'm okay.
Of course.
I'm positive.
So you look like you're somebody with full attitude. So,
No, not at all.
so you live both the area?
Yes,
Oh, I see.
I see.
So you know look the boyfriend don't you play?
No, we're gonna do boyfriend now.
When I like to drop in your life like bam, you know, boom.
And then it explode, boom, to a million pieces. You drop and drop far
You're rich,
from
you know,
me.
me have money, you know.
Me no business about that way your richness have to do with me.
Can't buy you anything you want.
Me no care. Me can ask my mother can no matter if my mother no have it,
But
she go find
your mother
somewhere
not rich like
somehow
me.
and give me. Me no business who are run down riches.
Oh. So you know rather know say you the link with somebody you can get anything you want.
My mother nah make me short on nothing, so me no want anything.
Oh. So you know like remember you want dream car.
No, me work for it. Me work for my honest
How
bread. Me
long
no,
that I go take you for work?
me no care. At least me know say my bread honest and something.
You see when a young girl nowadays you don't want nothing out of life, no?
We don't want the outer life because me don't want nothing from you.
Oh.
Oh. So me, I can't this up the boy for me and come and try look me.
Oh, your mother this.
Yeah.
Who this stand up a
Me don't
roadside
even know,
attack
me don't
to?
even know any name.
So why you stand up attack to somebody
And
where you
him
don't
a
know?
tell me about how he can buy me dream car. And me tell
Me?
him say me no short or nothing.
Me tell you that.
I see him say, mommy, who you believe?
Listen, my daughter not tell me lie. Who you?
Your daughter come and look me, mom.
Listen to
And
me.
tell her
Jesus.
say me no want her cause she look young.
Hello. Let me tell you something. This are the only mother where you can look on and tell lie about her child and she not gonna believe you.
I will never do that.
Me not gonna believe you. Oi, look here. You a big old year-old man. Born long time one can look off me little daughter where I go to school. Nobody with it.
No, miss, me
She
not do
soon
that.
done high school and go college and now. Nobody with it. Leave her alone in the name of Jesus, sir. You see your
Amen.
money where you have to go buy fancy car, she no want it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Me will work and buy car for her. If I have to buy even the wheel them alone. Me will buy the wheel them. How much wheel up on one car? 4 then say or a 10. Listen, me we buy the wheel them alone. So till me can buy the steering, the brake, the engine, every part, all the top part and the door,
But
me we buy it. Me we buy the fender, the trunk, the bumper, everywhere. Whatever me we call it, what you call it, the bonnet, me we buy. Me no want you buy nothing.
But miss, I know me can't go do and buy everything.
We don't
No, me
care.
we buy them and put them together. Me know enough mechanic, nobody with it. Leave me daughter alone in the name of Jesus. She no want nothing from you. And that you do. Go on and take out money and show a young
show
girl.
like so rich. Mommy, me tell him say
And
me
talk
will
about
work for
rich.
my honest bread.
Well, me born rich. I mean, I live rich and I'm going to die rich. We no poor, no sorry for we, no sorry for we at all come.
Yeah.
No sorry for me. Listen to me. You see them a kind of man, yeah? We weird. We them call it polo. Where them they?
Polo.
And what kind of shirt and all kind of name brand sit, huh? And they kind of hot hairstyle, yeah? Do me they beg you leave them alone. You smell the kind of high perfume when you have on, Gucci and Dolce Gabbana and millions and all kind of things. When you see them a kind of man, yeah, you see them smell good? Dear cologne, catching you want catch you. Listen, me will work until the money reach. Me buy you any kind of cologne you want, any shoes, any car. As me tell you before, I will buy the wheel first. Yeah. Then the steering and everything, and then me join them together. You will grow and you go drive.
So can work out something, you know?
Work out what?
Me have few millions over me already.
Sir, take your millions and go shave your money. Them off of your foot. Come here,
we don't want to, we don't want to. I see it and say you come breed me daughter and leave her for me. Well, it now go work. And what kind of work you do? From me see you look like a thief. Who to tell if all of the money where you have?
Mommy, don't waste your time for unscrupulous.
No bother with me and my daughter. Leave her alone. She no want no man. My daughter no want no man. And listen, don't get me wrong. And why she no want no man, you know, she no ready for no man. She a go to college. Leave her. She's so rich at college. Left her. Oh, God.
My daughter, come. Me cook up on the road. Me go teach you life. Come hook up on the road.
Where you go, mommy?
More can see what opportunities we get. What lessons you can learn. Yeah, look work is.
Oh, you're gonna look where me can't follow you.
Yeah, man.
So come on.
Alright, come. Whatever we learn, we learn. Whatever we get, we get.
Okay.
What? My daughter. What's going on?
No, go on, bro.
You know, up here, me there, I come in, me one day, me should have
Wait, you don't learn, not too. You don't learn, not too, daddy.
What about?
Oh, yeah. Mommy, beat him up again. Because he come like he don't learn.
I said, I feel. Try about mommy beat him up. I mean, nobody give me a gift.
Me no want to, you never give me no in. I'm 16 years of living.
I'm tell you this, I hurt me, never want to hurt him, mother, what do you?
You can't hurt him.
I say, I hurt me, never want to hurt him, mother, what do you?
Say, you can't. Oh, yeah, I get that.
Buy something, buy sweetie.
No. Murder name Rockstone. How will I get that?
What about my daughter?
Daddy, $20. Daddy, $20. You're not giving no from your 16. Not even from your 16, from a barn.
What you talking about? You know when you claim me I give $5 and $1, you're glad for them, I know me I give big hand that you tell me saying half of it. What is it buy sweetie?
Well, you go buy one damn toothbrush.
What that you come and give your pitney?
What you do?
What you mean when me I do? Where you go with Silver? You're not ashamed. Where you looking for friend in my area for?
Do that again.
What you mean? I know that. Gear again.
Do that, Wallace.
Where you get Silver, me ashamed, me make that ear. You dirty friend them where you sit down the surging stuff with gent with. You think me not see as we are coming and showing stuff with gent back there? See it?
Wallace, I'm about to ask it.
Look where I drink.
You fling on my money?
Look where your father drink. As in see we into where they so they can style with.
So you're playing up with your mother now?
Yeah. Somebody not playing up with no mother.
You betray me.
Yeah, you drink stuff with gent.
Pride.
And Guinness down the road. We hear about it.
Everything good.
So you come with $20 for come gear.
If me discipline the mother,
and since a man, him no give you nothing, you know, I fry you in a belly. Him no give you nothing none at all. I know you're 16. It's true. And you know it's true. And me tell you something, stop calling the phone at night time. Because we know there.
How you the answer phone call when time I give money for buy?
Stop calling the phone at night time. You're not lie. You don't know everything. Me not hide nothing from me daughter and she not hide nothing from me. Lie.
You think buy all around now where?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, listen to her.
Yeah, that big up yourself.
You know what time at night time she dey on phone to talk to me?
Me? I be a cussing on the phone at night time. I line the tell.
That's why I'm sorry say never want son me get in. I know say this day turn up on me.
I'm sorry you never make me turn in.
Me glad say one daughter me get. Cause if I did want son in that thief and lie like you and go take up people pitney and breed them and don't want money and tell them to dash away. Me say go on. You're not ashamed. You're not ashamed. $20. You come and give a 16-year-old daughter. Yeah. Yeah, and you're the style in front of your dirty friend them we turn up down there so.
Disrespect me, you know. I grown me thing, you know.
Yeah. You have to mind your pitney oil. Yo. Me remember to tell you, police are going to serve the paper, because you have to go to court.
Mama. You pass your place.
Me a pass me place because you're not mind your pitney.
Remember say nobody else never did no one breed there, you know.
Here we are.
And me pick you up, you know.
Oops, oops.
I cook you smell like every day and I make wash you off and
Be
pick
a
you up
liar
and
walk
come
and
back
tell
to
you.
life.
Whole community knows a liar tell. I will never take coke and I cannot take it and it can't go down for me throat. And it can't go in my nose nor in my head. Yeah, you're this with too. You're this with too. Move your hand. Move your hand. You're too out about your complaint in a people's face.
I never want to hurt you, you know.
She never want to hurt you.
Breathe easy.
Move because you don't stop begging me front
Breathe
stay away.
easy.
You caught me. Yes, sir. And don't touch me. A friend you friend me up. Friend me up. Move from here, so watch him.
Yeah, you see if rain never there come down.
What? Stop tell life and God rain. Me need some money from you now.
Where you come give me daughter alone and get money from? What you do?
When you get that money?
Away, woman, I know.
Let me give you a pass. Go on. See it there. Your friend. Me if you come out your life, me in your life. We left long time. Long time. Go on.
So gotta give me blessings.
Come.
Go on. They go tell me picking up.
Whoa! Crosses. Come out of your life.
Baby, you never know what opportunity you might get, and you never know who you might see. See there? What, Master? You're right.
Yes,
Good to
man.
see you, man. Long time.
Yeah, you know, I'm here.
Yeah,
Went
man.
to check my good friend. So, whole life.
Why? Right, life rough still, you know, Master. I'm not lie.
Yeah, man, so sometimes tea, sometimes coffee. You have to just ride a little rough sea, you know?
Right, you know, no tea or no coffee, come and lose my job, son, or nothing but here.
Lord.
Yeah, man.
You lose the job?
I lose the work. Over foolishness, me not even know what, but it's just a walk and a look.
Listen, losing the job, me understand, you know, but sometimes the work not really paying good.
It'll pay something. It'll pay something.
All right, it'll pay something, but at least you could find a different job or you could start your own business.
That me a look.
You can buy a bag of bag juice, start from there. One bag of bag juice can make you a millionaire.
That's true.
But some people don't see it. Because hear what? You see, if them buy one bag of bag juice and them spend the money, when they make it, they don't use them common sense, you know.
No, man, them no portion it
use the
out.
profit, buy another bag.
Aye, that's where we go wrong, you know.
So when you buy one bag and you make a money, do not go back go buy one bag and yam down the money. Buy another bag so you have two.
Aye.
You still have them two there, you buy another one. Three, you still have them three there, you buy another one. Until you have your own shop, until you distribute bag juice.
A good thing you say. Right now, me I walk and I look something to buy the bag juice for start.
Right, better than nothing.
Aye.
Some parents that's in a yard.
That's why me I walk with my daughter and I show her life and thing. You know, you have to
show them because they're young. Some of them will go straight. And you know, so when they're straight, a belly.
No, some
and
no
then
want that.
when belly come, and da, goo, goo, gaga.
Me too young for turn grandmother. And
Right.
she know that.
Good. And I hope you show her the ropes and say, yo, this is the road you're going. You understand? Because some of them mother around here, so they're wicked.
Oh God. Me know about one particular one, but nobody go there, so.
They're wicked. They sell out them picking it. You think me can have my one daughter and sell him out and feel good? Me would have had nightmare at night time.
But anyway, Master, you know I not no work I go on. My daughter willing to do some work too. She'll do anything same as me. Looking for any work.
She can manage work?
Yeah, man. Look on her. She's strong.
Mom, Mr. must use gold mine.
Gold who?
Mine.
Gold,
Yeah.
gold.
Gold mine. Mommy say me must use my gold mine.
Use your
Your
gold
mine, your gold mine.
My gold mine.
Your gold mine, me I say.
But she did say gold mine between legs. Gold mine. What, mommy, why you look at me so strange?
You see, some of them you pick me, Master, them not sense, you know. Them full of nonsense.
hold on.
Me tell the picnic for use our brain, can you give our goal, for use our gold mine. She even said gold mine.
What your mother say, just use again.
My mother said we have things that man want. I must use my gold mine between my legs.
Your mother tell her that.
Yes, you are there, Moodoo. What gold mine mean?
Oh, gold mine mean then go have a cave and then use a pickaxe and pickaxe the hole.
And dig out the gold.
Dig out the hole. If the hole too deep, then they find another bigger axe to go in it. To full up it. Yeah.
And that me I talk about.
So I mean,
Understand.
Me and you need to talk one away.
Yeah, man.
But not now. Because this is hot.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna see my way down.
All right.
Okay.
If you hear anything, Master, make we know.
Yeah, man, no problem.
All right.
Oh, mommy, see money man there. Yeah, me that tell about.
Kayla.
Yeah,
Valentine, let me not see you, but I'm just a see her.
yeah.
Hi.
Hi,
man
nice
here.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice daughter you have, you know, auntie.
Mm-hmm. Very, very nice. She tell me all about you.
Good.
She come in all excited and tell me all about
Good.
you. So I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. What's your name again?
My name is Tibby.
Tibby, pleased to meet you.
Yes.
Just gonna have a quick word with my daughter.
Okay.
Quick second. I really him that?
Yeah.
The one that buy you the juice?
Mm-hmm.
Raw, look, girl. You know, for let him go. A God send you back again. Look, you never know how to contact him or nothing. And look how God make it. That's why you have to follow your spirit. Now listen to me. Sweeten him up here. Cause him look nice. And him look like him have money. Look how him just get done. Sweeten him up. Nobody turn off sour your face. Make him see your face sour. Give him your best smile. Push out your chest and make him see what you have.
Okay.
And nobody sour up your face, yeah? Make him want to be in your company.
Okay.
All right, make me proud.
Yes.
Here, make me proud. And remember, nobody give it up too easy. Make him work for it. Cause you see, when them have to work for it and beg for it, them pay hard for it. So nobody give it up straight away. Hear me, girl?
Listen.
But nobody clamp down too tight neither, cause so life set.
Okay.
All right. All right. Thank you. Tibby, me talk to my daughter. So you good?
So, thing good enough?
You're not going away.
Kayla, me have to hurry up and leave, cause and more and take you up on a date. I don't know if you come home with me or what.
Yeah, man. The reason why she shy because we're going for a walk. I did tell her so we have some chores for her to do at home. But true, me no want her out the street too late. Go on, man. Go on. Me will do the washing up for you. Me will do the washing up.
Nobody be shy, Kayla.
Nobody be shy. You have my blessings, but nobody keep her out too late. Yeah? You have my blessings. All right. You have my blessings, baby. Don't worry about the dishes. Yeah?